so we're doing our test on minerals and changes on Earth. So we'll start with minerals and identifying them. So the way light reflects off the surface of a mineral is called? Good. The color a mineral leaves behind on a white plate is called? The way a mineral splits apart is called? Good. Very good. Okay, so what are the three types of rocks?
Igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic.
Good. Okay, and what type of rock do we find fossils in?
Sedimentary.
Good. Okay, how are igneous rocks formed?
When lava cool.
Yeah, in lava pools. Can you give me an example of an igneous rock?
Granite, igneous, obsidian.
Fantastic, 3 examples, great. Okay, and how are sedimentary rocks formed?
Sedimentary rock form. When sediment or pressed into layer.
Yeah, good. Very good. Okay, give me an example of a sedimentary rock.
Sandstone, limestone.
Good. Okay, and how are metamorphic rocks formed?
Metamorphic rock form. Any kind of rock.
Okay. So, yes, they're formed from other rocks. Can you give me any reason how they become a different rock?
Like granite, limestone, and sand.
Okay, so those become metamorphic. Okay, and so can you give me an example of a metamorphic rock itself? Yes, good. Marble. Good, you've got lots of examples, that's great. Okay, so we're talking about slow changes on Earth. What are the 2 types of weathering?
Physical and chemical.
Good. And talk about chemical weathering. There's rust. So what is required for rust to form?
Air, water, and ocean.
Okay, so let's say oxygen, water, and what is the metal that we need that we rust?
Or
Close, just think again. Iron. So we need iron to rust. Okay. So what are some examples of landforms?
mountain, hill, winding river, land.
Okay. A large, thick sheet of ice that slowly moves across land is called a?
Glacier.
Good. A deep, narrow valley with steep sides is called a?
Canyon.
Good. A hill formed by sand blown by the wind is called?
Sand dune.
Good. Okay, so now talking about fast changes on Earth. We have earthquakes. So the Earth's crust is made up of large slabs of rock called? Good. A place where the plates meet along a crack is called a?
Fault.
Good. And what causes an earthquake?
Is quick downhill.
An earthquake? What causes an earthquake?
Is
with the tectonic plates.
Is tectonic plates move
Yeah, so tectonic plates moving quickly and pushing against each other. Okay. What can an earthquake cause?
weather and
Weather?
heavy rain.
An earthquake? An earthquake won't cause heavy rain. So earthquake, what will an earthquake cause?
Is called like a shake and
What about something that happens in the sea as a result of an earthquake?
tsunami.
Tsunami, good, okay. So, talking about volcanoes, magma that reaches the Earth's surface is called, good. The opening in a volcano is called a, good. An opening in the Earth's surface where lava comes through is called a, good. Okay, so finishing up, talking about landslides and floods. What is a landslide?
It's like in big downhill move on the land.
Okay, yeah, soil and dirt. Right. What can cause a landslide? Good, very good. What is the difference between a flood watch and a flood warning?
Flood watch mean flooding possible. And flood warning is when it occurring
Yeah.
or will occur soon.
Good, very good.